What up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, Millennial Generating Wealth. This is going to be week 12 of our journey towards that million. So this past couple weeks had a lot going on. I also moved into my new spot. So this video is going to be kind of a late upload, but I was able to get a screen recording during the time frame of the dates between March 18th and March 22nd, which would be week 12. Back in week 11, we had finished out the portfolio around $158,914. And now at the end of week 12, the portfolio grew to a new balance of $167,400. So without any deposits, that's a gain of about $8,486 in just 1 week. So definitely set a new record for 1 week. That didn't just come from stocks appreciating or just selling covered calls. For week 12, I'd actually cashed out and made a big profit from a long-term option or a lead. Well, I say long-term because it's long-term compared to the normal daily options that I do. It was really just about 3.5 weeks long. Bought it on February 23rd and then cashed it out on March 20th. So I bought a total of 8 option contracts, which cost me a total of $4,773, and they all had an expiration date of March 28th, which is just over a month. Now, I didn't purchase them all at once. First, I bought 6 contracts on February 23rd, which cost me a total of $3,879, which made each of those 6 contracts have an average price of about $646 each. And then I bought another contract on March 11th, which cost me $489. And then I bought one last contract on March 15th, which cost me $405. So as you can see, the value of the contracts dipped throughout those 3.5 weeks, and I used that as an opportunity to increase my position by buying additional contracts, which in return lowered my average entry price point. So in total, for all 8 contracts, I had to pay $4,773. I continued to hold these contracts, and then on March 20th, I sold them for a total of $7,639, which gave me a profit of about $2,866. So that's a gain of about 60%. That's a 60% return in just 3.5 weeks. So that's the strategy that I'd been referring to the past couple weeks when I kept mentioning that I was trying out something different. Let y'all know how it goes. Well, it went pretty good. So now let's go ahead and get into the daily transactions for week 12. So on March 18th, I made a total of $235. On March 19th, I made a total of $435. On March 20th, I made a total of $2,211, and that was also the day that I cashed out on that long-term option that I was talking about earlier. On March 21st, I made a total of $115, and on March 22nd, I made a total of $64, with all that totaling up to be $3,060 in trading for week 12. So not a bad week at all. The account saw an overall gain of $8,486, with about 36% of that coming specifically just from trading, and the rest coming from stock appreciation. So once again, I appreciate y'all for tuning in for week 12. I'll catch y'all in the next video, which will be week 13, and then I should be caught up. I'll catch y'all in the next video.